Are you an Amazon seller struggling to find the right product that actually make money? Or maybe you are just starting out and feel lost in the sea of the competition. Well, that's exactly where Helium10 comes in. And it can honestly change the way you sell. By the end of this video, you will understand how Helium10 helps Amazon sellers find profitable product and whether it's worth to trying for your business. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, consider subscribing and don't forget to check the link in the description below for special deals and the free trials. So let's break it down. Selling on Amazon might seem easy, list a product and make money. But the reality is most sellers struggle to know that what actually sells and what will just sit here. Now, Helium10 is basically a toolbox that gives you all the data and insight you need. No more guessing, just numbers showing you what actually works. One of the most helpful feature is the product research tool. You can see which product are selling fast, which one have the low competition, and which niche still have the space for someone like you. You can filter by price, review, sales or keyword that make it easier to find the product that other sellers might miss. It saves a lot of time because you are not scrolling through the hundreds of listings blindly. Then there is keyword research. It sounds technical but it's simple. Keywords are what people type when they search for a product, and Helium10 shows which keywords are popular, which are competitive, and which can help your product get noticed. Even a great product would not sell if people cannot find it. So this feature is super important. Another great feature is the listing optimization. Once you find a profitable product, Helium10 helps make your listing more attractive to buyers. It gives tips on title, description, bullet point and which keyword to include so your listing perform better. It's like having a coach that guiding you through the each step. Helium10 also track the trends so you can see if a product is seasonal or losing the popularity. These help you to avoid wasting money on a product that might look good now but could flop later. The truth is, it takes a little time to get used to with Helium10, but once you explore the tools and run a few research, then it becomes much easier. And the best part is, it's all in one place. You don't need the multiple subscription for product research, keyword tracking, listing optimization, it's all included. In short, Helium10 takes the guesswork out of the selling on Amazon. It shows you profitable product, what customers are searching for and how to make your listing better. Whether you are just starting or already selling, it can save you a lot of time and the frustration. So this was the video about Helium10. Now I hope you understand how it can help you to search the winning product. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.